Make a great choice today with
The 2022 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.